갑자기 내게 나타나준 너.
Hello! So, today we are doing a what I eat in a day. So, but first now I am in my home attire, this t-shirt that I got, that I bought in Laos. So we are going to change and then we can go to the market to get some milk because I'm missing this for my breakfast and some fruits. So let's do that and change first. So this is what we are working with. I put on a very simple look outfit. So now we just need a bag and some fruit bag as well, my little fruit bag, so I can put my fruits and weigh them, and a normal bag to get my stuff. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. So let's go. Okay, so I just got back from the market and now we are going to put all our stuff in the fridge, and yeah, first let's see what I got. So yeah, we've got soy milk, some blueberries, raspberries and blackberries with eggs because I don't have any more. And then here we have 2 avocado and 4 bananas. So yeah, now let's put all of that in the fridge. And yeah, I got changed because it's too hot to be wearing what I was wearing before, and I switched my t-shirt with this little crop top thingy. Okay, so now we are going to wash my fruits because I'm going to do a smoothie, and then we are going to put them into jars because when I get them, I like to separate them into jars so that they are ready for me to take every day and mix them up and just drink. You know what? Before the smoothie, let's just eat something first because I am feeling really hungry. Okay, so I have added all my fruits and I have my banana in there. So we are going to get Okay, so I am back and we are going to prepare lunch, and for lunch I'm making cabbage with beef and pasta. So let's get started. I'm going to start by cutting some onions, garlic, so that we can prepare the meat. Bon appétit.
어른이면 누구나 날 구하고.
For dinner we are having rice with chicken and leeks. So let's do this. First we are going, ooh, I poured water on the floor. So first we are going to do the rice, which I had here. I don't know if you can see. Zoom, okay, well, which I had here in this bowl, soaking.
아직 늦지 않았습니다. 원인을 밝히고 병정을 치료하고 방안을 수습한다면
이제 자주 말아보겠어요.
I have just finished my dinner. It is now 8 p.m. I decided to sit in front of the window. That's why we have this nice lighting right now. It's been like quite gloomy all day, but right now it is a little bit less. The sky is blue again and less grayish. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, what you liked about it, and what you didn't like. and I am going to edit a little bit again and then go to bed. So see you next time.